ginataang shrimp, sitaw, and kalabasa. Okay, next guys is the garlic. Okay, the next one, onions. So after the onions and the garlic, you can saute now the shrimp or gisa. Gisa na niyo ang shrimp. Gisa mo na yung shrimp. Okay guys. So you have to make sure guys that the shrimp will not be overcooked. So I'm going to remove the shrimp first. I'm gonna remove it first. So here guys, from the pan I remove it and then I set it aside so it will not be overcooked. Okay. So from here guys, instead of using bagoong or bagoong, I'm just gonna use oyster sauce because bagoong is quite salty. So we're just gonna replace it. Okay, so I added the oyster sauce. So here guys, I added the oyster sauce already. And after this, we can add the coconut milk. So I'm using this one, coconut milk. Okay, so here it is. So here it is guys, the coconut milk mixture. So we're just gonna wait for it to boil. And once it already boiling, we are going to add the squash. So as you can see guys, it's already boiling right now. So we can add the squash. So here's the squash. Just gonna allow it to cook. So I'm covering the pan guys so the water or the mixture will not evaporate because it takes for the for the squash to be cooked. So once that's cooked, I'm going to add the shrimp. So just check and see if the squash is already cooked, you know, just get a fork and see if it's already done. So hi guys, so I checked the squash and it's still hard. Okay, so we're gonna wait about 10 more minutes and I'll check it again. Okay guys, so I checked already the squash and it's cooked. It's already cooked. So now guys, I'm going to add the shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna put the shrimp back. Okay guys, so now I am going to add the beans. Just gonna mix it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cover it again to allow the string beans or the beans to cook. Sitaw. Okay guys, so I'm going to add okay guys, the dish is looking good and I'm gonna add a little pepper on this. So hi guys, I'm adding just pepper. So I end up not using the salt anymore because I don't think I need it. So because the oyster sauce is very rich in flavor too, so that helps. So instead of using bagoong, I just use the oyster sauce because the bagoong is too salty for my mom. Okay guys.